Good afternoon, everyone. This is Nate in Belize. This afternoon I am shooting my beach walk into Boca Del Rio, that area just north of downtown San Pedro. Starting off here at the Phoenix Hotel. As you can see, the winds have calmed down. They were pretty windy last week, but there are 5 to 15 knots all week. As you can see, the water clears up quite a bit. We've avoided the sargassum for the most part. When I've seen it come in due to the high winds, it hasn't been heavy and it's kind of washed away, so that's a good thing. Maybe the currents or things are shifting when it comes to that, but there are no guarantees, so we're just enjoying it while we can. So anyway, I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna walk up north, and I'll just kind of go over some things of listings that I see. There may be a few that I list, but listings that I see online, and some prices, so you'll have an idea. If this is the first time you're watching this, I did one for downtown and particularly south of town. There's a lot of real estate listings down along the beach in that area. So I hope you enjoy, and ask any questions you need to on the comments below. All right, so this is the Phoenix Hotel Resort. These are actually condominiums. There's actually, I believe, 30 units here. There are 3 listed. The lowest one right now is at $735,000, and the highest one listed is $799,000. These are 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. They are adding elevators, so that's a new thing. I think they're going to be finished on a building here within the next month. But it's a nice resort, luxury resort, right in the heart of everything, just north of downtown. You can see the Palapa Bar from here. And of course you have this beautiful ocean view. I should say sea view. I say ocean a lot, but it's the Caribbean Sea. Some units come right up to the beach. Little sandbar there. All right, so this is Paradise Villas. This has been here a long time. If this looks familiar to something I was showing down south, Isla Bonita Yacht Club, I believe it's the same builder. These are all duplexes. There's actually 24 duplexes here. Most of them are on upstairs, downstairs, but some of them have been modified. Nothing for sale currently, but I think the last one that I saw was in the 350 range. Okay, I'm probably going to add some music here because some of the units coming up are no longer for sale, so I'll probably just use subtitles. But enjoy the walk. Okay, this is Oasis Del Rio. There were 3 units available, but I think they might be all sold now. The last one that I saw was at $335. The 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. I'm not sure if it's still available though. That may have gone under contract. Email me if you have any questions or if you're interested in one of these. All right, this is Kyasa here. There's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom available here for $499. Number 8. Just contact me and I can check to make sure it's still available, but that's what's available there. Most of these places do have piers out on the water. Hotel Del Rio.
Don't take my picture.
Yeah, how's it going?
How you doing, man?
Good, good, good. This is Hibiscus. A lot of people have asked me about this. There's actually 4 studios available, and then 4 2-bedroom, 2-bath. They start at $225 for, I'm thinking, the studios. This is a newer construction. I don't know if anybody's moved in there yet. Although I think I've seen maybe the owner staying there. This piece of land was sold building something. I have no idea what. This is Boca Del Rio Park. Very popular on Sundays, which is really kind of family days around here. This is Boca Del Rio, mouth of the river. This is where the boats cut through from the lagoon side under the bridge. I'll take you right there. They're trying to get some coconuts growing here. Palms. Supposed to be a no wake zone here, but that's under interpretation for Belizeans. All right, that's it. Nate and Belize. Shorter video this time. Not as much real estate available in Boca Del Rio, but there is some. Seems like most of it's down in the south part of town along the beachfront. If you go back and look at that video. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. We'll see you next time. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.